that we shall have no handshake and no nusu mkate. Therefore, Bishop, as you spoke about crossing over, we are crossing over from a nation where anarchy, bloodshed, violence, and violent demonstrations were the order of the day. We are crossing over from a place where ridicule and shame were the order of the day. And we are now crossing over to a place where economic prosperity, respect for the rule of law, constitutionalism, and protection of our democracy, where we compete in the political arena. And after elections, we settle down, congratulate the winner, respect those who lose the elections, and we move on together as one country, focusing on the needs and the aspirations of our people. That is where we are crossing over to. And Bishop, I must thank you for restoring our faith that even amidst the storms, we shall cross over to that other side of a peaceful, prosperous nation. And I want to believe from now onwards that will be the engagement we shall be engaging on. As Governor Sess has said, Your Excellency, we are very well instructed that we shall engage with our colleagues not in an environment of threats and blackmail, not in an environment of uncertainty, but having the certainty that we are engaging with other leaders who also ought to carry the aspirations of the people who have elected them, Your Excellency. And I want to promise you, as we engage together with Governor Cicely and the rest of the team, we shall do so with utmost respect to our Constitution, to the rule of law, respecting and protecting our democracy, and knowing that we have a duly elected and legitimate government to govern our country, with you and the Deputy President leading us in that front.
Of managing the affairs of the country vested in the cabinet, in the expanded cabinet, will require of us to work together and to focus on that which brings honor to our country. I will shortly give you the list of my nominees. Just hold your horses. Just hold your horses. Great. Oops. That's the old list again. Where did it disappear? I think this is a problem of making it very confidential and not allowing many people to have a look at it. As you're all aware, the list I sent to the National Assembly, I have since amended so that Roslinda Soipan-Tuya now goes to the Ministry of Defense. The Honorable Aden Baredwale moves to Environment, Climate Change, and Forestry. I have now forwarded the name of John Mbadi Ngongo to the Ministry of National Treasury and Economic Planning. Salim Mvuria Mgala, Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry. Ms. Rebecca Miano, Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife. The Honorable James Opio Wandai, Ministry of Energy and Petroleum. The Honorable Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen, Ministry of Youth Affairs, Creative Economy and Sports. The Honorable Hassan Ali Joho, Ministry of Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs. The Honorable Dr. Alfred Nganga Mutua, Ministry of Labor and Social Protection. The Honorable Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya, Ministry of Cooperatives and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development. The Honorable Justin Bidan Njoka Muturi, Ministry of Public Service and Human Capital Development. Madam Stella Soy Langat, Ministry of Gender, Culture, Arts and Heritage. I am still working on the other pending nominees, and I will be announcing them shortly. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless our great nation, Kenya. Asanteni sana.
That we shall have no handshake and no nusu mkate. Therefore, Bishop, as you spoke about crossing over, we are crossing over from a nation where